How to delete all your Instagram comments at once. So first is by opening your Instagram app and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're right there, click on the three lines found on the upper right corner and go ahead on your activity right here. Wait for it to load and click on interactions right here and go to comments right here. And then, as you can see on this section, you may be able to see all of the comments that you have. In order for you to delete all of your comments, make sure to click on select right here and choose the comments that you want to delete. So since Instagram still doesn't have an option or a button in which you may be able to delete all of this at once, you need to press on this circle right here to check the comment that you want to delete. Click on delete and then that's it. That's how you can delete all your Instagram comments at once.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.